Okay, our first experiment will be a thermal conductivity demonstration. So I have a chunk of aluminum that's at about 40 degrees. It's been in the refrigerator for about a day. And I've got a piece of wood here that we're going to heat up. I heated it up just a little while ago, but I'll reheat it. It should be about 180 degrees or so. Now the question is, if I put an ice cube on each of those things, which ice cube will melt first? There's the ice cube on the wood, and there's the ice cube on the aluminum. I think you can tell the aluminum is melting the ice cube pretty well. So far the wood hasn't touched the ice cube. So there you have it.